In this video, you'll learn how to install and log into Sugar Connect, an email client add-in that enables you to work with your Sugar data directly from Gmail without leaving your inbox. Sugar Connect is included with new purchases of Sugar Cell Premier, Cell Advanced, and Enterprise Plus, and is also available as an add-on for Sugar Serve and Sugar Enterprise. Before installing and logging into Sugar Connect, your administrator must add you as a user. You will receive an invitation email once this step is completed. To use Sugar Connect, each user must have both an email account and a Sugar user account, and both accounts must share the same email address. Please also ensure the following. Third-party cookies are not blocked in your web browser. Third-party browser extensions do not interfere with the installation process. If you encounter issues while launching or installing Sugar Connect, disable any connectors known to be incompatible. A list of these connectors is available in the supplemental materials linked in the video description. Installation steps. When authenticating with a Google Workspace account, Sugar Connect must be installed and used in a Chrome browser, specifically with Gmail, Google Contacts, and Google Calendar. Once installed, you can sync your browser settings so the extension is available on any computer where you access that browser profile. To begin, open your Chrome browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to both Gmail and Chrome using the same email address that's associated with your Sugar account. It's important to note that signing into Gmail is separate from signing into Chrome. To confirm your active Gmail account, click your account icon or profile image at the top of the Gmail interface, just beneath the browser toolbar. To verify your active Chrome profile, click the avatar or profile image in the Chrome toolbar. Next, access the Extensions menu. Locate the Sugar Connect extension in the Chrome Web Store and select Add to Chrome to install it. After installation, reload Gmail. You'll see the Sugar Connect icon on the right side of your inbox. Click the icon to expand the Sugar Connect sidebar and connect it to your Sugar user account. To log in, click the Login button in the Sugar Login section of the sidebar. Follow your organization's authentication process, which may involve Sugar Identity, single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, or a combination of these methods. When prompted, click Allow Access to grant Sugar Connect the necessary permissions to access your Sugar data. Once logged in, you're ready to start using Sugar Connect. You now know how to install and log in to Sugar Connect for Google Workspace. For more information, refer to the supplemental resources linked in the video description. Thanks for watching.